Hello, my name is Patrick Sunt, and thank you for taking the time to view my debate. The topic: resolved. The United Nations should adopt a resolution decrying or demanding an end to the annual dolphin hunt in Taiji, Japan. Background: Taiji, Japan receives international criticism for both the cruelty of the dolphin killings and the high mercury levels of the dolphin meat produced. Roughly 20,000 dolphins are captured or killed each year in the Taiji dolphin hunts. The common killing method of these dolphins is to drive a rod into the spinal cord or brain of the dolphin, supposedly killing it instantly. Documentarians and opposers to the dolphin hunts have seen other practices displayed, however, such as cutting the necks of the dolphins, severing their fins while they're still alive, and a variety of other brutal killing methods. Several veterinarians and behavioral scientists have concluded that this killing method would not be tolerated or permitted in any regulated slaughterhouse process in the developed world. The dolphin brain is as large and powerful as a human's. Dolphins display strong family attributes, including in-depth mother-to-child connections, pregnancy practices, tribe defensive measures, and even have names for one another, which are displayed through ultrasonic whistle signatures. Some captive dolphins are used for military purposes, including bomb placement and detonation, as well as killing enemy divers, while others are sold to aquatic parks for entertainment purposes. The harms: the dolphin hunts supply income to local fisheries in Taiji, though the meat they produce has been tested and shown results of high mercury poisoning in those who consume it. Males and females of all ages have shown positive signs of mercury poisoning after consuming dolphin meat. Dolphins in captivity are captured as baby dolphins and separated from family to be taken in by American oceanic parks. Baby dolphins are naturally supposed to stay with their parents for 10 to 15 years, where they learn how to hunt fish, fight off predators, survive storms, and speak to other dolphins. Dolphins in captivity are often very restricted by comparison to their lives in the open ocean. They do not develop natural family interactions, maintain friendships or relationships, or display any of the other normal dolphin mannerisms. Even the largest pools provided to dolphins in parks and aquariums are comparable to a prison cell for humans, as dolphins are used to areas of over 100 kilometers in the wild, and as a result, captive dolphins display unusual aggressive tendencies towards humans. Show dolphins are only performing to strive off death from boredom. The fish they are rewarded for their performances are dead and processed, unlike the live fish they are used to eating in the wild. The water they swim in is not naturally healthy for them and is flooded with chlorine and other chemicals that makes the water safe for their trainers to interact with them in. Captive dolphins also display aggressive social patterns and behaviors that are not common to wild dolphins due to restricted lives in captivity. The solution: the United Nations should adopt a resolution decrying or demanding an end to the annual dolphin hunt in Taiji, Japan. This allows a globally recognized agency to set a strict declaration against the harvesting of dolphins. Japan is a part of the United Nations and will do well to follow the mandates set by this agency toward them. Alternatives can be pursued for income to the fisheries, such as what the Solomon Islanders, who had been practicing similar dolphin hunting methods for over 400 years, have done to supplement their own dolphin hunts. The Dolphin Island fisheries have discovered that it costs more and more money each year to hunt dolphins at further depths and locations in the oceans as the dolphins migrate away from hunting areas. The Solomon Islanders are now practicing other fishing methods that have proven to be more lucrative and ethically responsible than the brutal killing of dolphins. The impacts: if these hunts are not stopped and this plan is not pursued, dolphins will eventually reach an endangered species level, resulting in conservation efforts, counter-poaching efforts, and reintegration into their natural habitats that will cost tenfold the profits of hunting them. This will also prevent creation of a black market for dolphin-produced goods and meats, which will create a much higher-priced illegal market for dolphin hunting produced goods that will become rare, such as it has for other species like elephants and rhinoceros. Prevention of a black market deters the necessity of creating organizations and task forces to repel these kind of illegal activities. Creation and employment of these forces is extremely costly and would allow governments to focus finances and manpower on other, more important issues that demand our immediate attention today. This prevents the endangerment and extinction of dolphins, which play an important role in the natural food chain, and prevents the costly impacts of our environment that will result from the massive loss of dolphin wildlife.